The best way to live may vary depending on the individual, but I can offer some advice based on a few general principles. Here are a few important methods to consider. 1. Set goals. It is important to set goals and create plans to achieve them. Having clear objectives and continuously progressing towards them is key to moving forward successfully in life. 2. Healthy lifestyle. Physical and mental well-being are essential for a happy life. It is important to manage one's health through a balanced diet, regular exercise, sufficient rest, and stress management. 3. Positive attitude. Having a positive mindset and overcoming difficulties can have a profound impact on life. It is important to view problems as opportunities for improvement, accept lessons from failures, and have an attitude of gratitude in the present. 4. Growth and learning. Continuously studying and acquiring new skills can be beneficial for ongoing personal growth and self-improvement. Learning new things and acquiring new skills can enhance one's abilities and expertise. 5. Continuous improvement. Recognizing one's strengths and weaknesses and working on improving weaknesses while further developing strengths is important. Having a mindset of self-reflection and improvement is necessary for continuous personal and professional growth.